A day in the life. It's your boy, Baby Tyson. My nigga Young Cino. 53rd Hoop, we on the block. A day in the life. This is the hood basement. Swag. You dig? My niggas hit them.
Little something.
Yeah.
Fly guys, NTY, MCMB. Last king from a nigga, yeah, he kidding me. Flyest nigga industry, welcome me to the industry. Told Tiger put me on the track and we gon' fill the seat. No more ride limousine, just me and my killer team. Touring flying private jet, nigga now we overseas. On my way to NYC, video on BT. Work for me, man, my mama told me chase my dreams. 23, now they grind hard my whole life. All I needed was a chance, show them that my shit tight. Gold bottles coming, camera splashing, got my spots right. But everything in the dark comes to the light. In the cold zone, about to get my pose on. I'm a young nigga, baby, but it feels so long. Got my clothes on, put your clothes on. You check out time, can't get your clothes on. Fly niggas, store niggas do fly shit. Stay fly too high, satin on the mattress. Fly niggas, store niggas do fly shit. A gangster and a gentleman, a class bitch. Real nigga tryna get up in them tax brackets, treat the shit like a safe. When a hog tryna crack it, they just gonna fetch our bones, and you niggas gonna catch it. I'ma be the smart nigga, put it up and double stack it. Flip a couple more shows, put it with my old dough. Got a few ounces, finna sell them to my old
yeah.
Bounce like a pogo, add it up, mathematics. From it out, check it out, now look what happened. Flip a couple more shows, put it with my old dough. Got a few ounces, finna sell them like my old bounce like a pogo, add it up, mathematics. From the bottom to the top, living large and lavish.
We on the block, baby. The hood session. You know what I'm saying? 53rd Hoover, OG, little homie right here. Cino. Shout out to all the Hoovers. You dig? Your boy Baby Tyson been acting. Doing a lot of these niggas and these kids, man. Shout out to my nigga Tiger, LK Trail, Young Nino, my nigga Big Loon. You know what I'm saying? Day in the life, baby. Shout out, man.
Oh, you already know what's that, T-Rail.
Shout out.
Tiger, all them, man. You already know niggas here getting it in the booth.
The whole security squad. Name them.
You already know we coming through, fuck with it, nigga. Slide dude coming to the set all day. You already know this. Niggas just called me getting my work in, though. You feel me?
Yeah.
Gotta
check this out.
Yeah.
Nigga in the studio session right now. It's the hood version of the basement, you know. Keep it at 100. Baby Tyson, the people's champ. Shout out to the whole Young Money team. Shout out to the whole Team Tiger movement. Shout out to all the Hoover Crips. Salute. My nigga Lady Trail. My nigga Trail. Young Nino. The whole squad. You know what I'm saying? Give them something else, man. You know what I'm saying? It's going on YouTube today. We just messing around. Studio session. Give them something else.
Mixtape coming out real soon, though, but I'm going to give y'all my single, though, off of here, though. But right now,
give him a couple bars. Give him a couple bars. Send a shout out to your nigga Chris. Send a shout out to your nigga Chris Big.
I'm looking for a rat shit. And we can get traffic, rat shit.
You gotta send a shout out to your boy Chris Brown, you know what I'm saying?
I got some shit for the ladies and all that though, man. I got some shit though, man. Coming up real soon.
You just messing around, this is shit. Active. A day in the life of the
right here. It's called Ride Tonight. I'm Fly Guy ENT, man. Fly with 2 Y's, so you feel me? Look at it, I'm C-No, Mac No, you know what I'm saying? Fly No.
Where you from? Where you from?
Look, I want y'all to know this though. Check this out. This song right here, it's me and my boy on here. I got me in here right now, but look, I'm gonna give y'all a little version of it. You feel me? It's called
real hood shit, swag.
So tell me what you wanna do, cause we gon' get high tonight. We gon' vibe tonight, cause tonight I'm trying to get inside of you. 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm just trying to see where we really going. Don't worry about the weed, you know we blowing. Know we blowing, know we blowing. Tell me we gon' ride tonight. So tell me what you wanna do, cause we gon' get high tonight. We gon' vibe tonight, cause tonight I'm trying to get inside. Baby, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm just trying to see where we really going. Worry about the wind, you know we blowing. Know we blowing, know we blowing. Look, my baby you already know the program. Sip one, smoke weed to the slow jam. If you ready to go, we can go now. No rush, take your time to slow down. Hold up, baby, I'm about to go down. Head first and I might just might drown. From a man, lay the pipe down. Kiss me your body, you're making it on night down. My time won't get away. Just me and you gon' spend the day. We gon' get the night, we gon' cut the cake. We gon' live this life and just celebrate. Friday, maybe chicken and waffles. Pico, go ahead, hit the Roscoe. We can say hit the house, girl. Let the music bang while you get them tacos. And these hoes can't hold me down. See, you the queen, that's why you got the crown. Now it's going back, now it's trying to up. Baby, your wealth can stay around. Most of these clowns would let you go. You mean something to me, I thought I'd let you know. We had some arguments, but can't let you go. See, grab the keys and let's hit the road. 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm just trying to see where we really going. Worry about the weed, you know we blowing. Know we blowing, know we blowing. Ride tonight.
See, that's just some G beats in the hood. Nigga got straight talent. You know what I'm saying? Day in the life. Boy, Baby Tyson, Young Cino. We on 53rd Nova on the block.
I'm just fucking off, man. Working, clowning around.
Shout out to your boy Chris Brown.
Hey, Chris Breezy, I got some shit for you, man. Don't even worry, I got some shit though, man.
Y'all niggas had a good show the other night, Tiger. Celebration. My nigga Game, Wiz Khalifa. Much love to everybody out there doing your thing, alright? Yeah. Just swag session. Day in the life in the basement in the hood. Yeah. Young Cino in the building. You know what I'm saying? Raw talent. Just fucking around right now. Yeah. He ain't joking. Nigga real. What up, LK Trail? Young Nino. The whole Tiger security staff. Shout out to all the Hoovers. What up, y'all? My nigga Nitty, what's your boy other name? Shoot him out.
Who else?
Nitty.
My boy,
Come on.
You know.
Come on, we gotta get a shout out.
T-Bone, Malone, stop playing, my niggas.
What's the homie that rode by the fence today?
G3, all my niggas coming through, man. White boy, all your men, squad boy. I seen them come through, but all that's the homies, man. All that we
let them know who your nigga Baby Tyson is,
fuck with, man. Right here from the block, nigga. Hard
real nigga, no groupie shit.
Stop playing, nigga. Nigga been around from day high, my nigga. Been around, knocking niggas out. Nigga know the deal.
No groupie shit, just a real nigga connected to everybody. Shout out to all the Crips and the Bloods everywhere. Much love. Salute. Stop the violence, y'all. You know, you got the white people coming against us, man. Crips and Bloods, y'all need to come together. You got the red, white, and the blue on the flag. You got the blue on one side, the red on one side, the white in the middle. Figure it out. Shout out to the money team.
Maybe we can ride out. Just me and you will probably cruise to my hideout. You fucking with a boss, I'ma show him how to treat you. Tell him get lost cause he don't know how to keep
Swag.
up. Pushing up the reef, smoking on the boat, drinking champagne, blowing out smoke. Why I sell frames, even got the mean coat. See it's like bringing that girl just to suit your soul. Be my girl for one night if you want to, and I'ma do all the things that he won't do. I ain't tricking, but you got it. Tonight, girl, and we gon' get it poppin'. Penny scared to drop it, cause I'm the one you seeking. Fuck the one night, you wanna spend the whole weekend. You ain't saying nothing, I got your body speaking. I'm high as a kite, but I'm high off life. Tonight, my girl, for one night. Me and you will be so right. We can't do right.
He's just fucking around. He's just bullshit right now. He ain't even warm. Just warming up.